What's up, everybody? So I wanted to do my Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Celebration 2023 box a little different because Jenny didn't want anybody opening it. She wanted them to open it with her, and I'm a very Missouri Star girl. I like their prices. I like their videos. I like Fat Quarter Shop too, but I feel like their prices are cheap. This wasn't cheap, but at least you get to purchase it in 2 separate payments, which is always good for me. So I'm gonna open it with her just like she wanted. So I'm gonna turn on this video and I'm gonna watch it with y'all, and we're gonna get into it. Let me show you the box first. So Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2023 Celebration. I bought this box in 2021. I did not buy, or I bought one of them. It probably wasn't last year because I'm not sure when. I can't remember, but this is the second one I've purchased. So we're gonna look at the box. So when you get it, the box comes like this. And it is, like, I love this box. It's like an awesome box. This is gonna make, I'm just gonna set it under the tree to look like something's in it because it's so pretty. And I'm probably gonna use this right here, this cardboard right here, because I have all the little Dollar Tree shops and businesses and houses, and I'll probably use this as a background. And of course she gives us this nice Merry Christmas card from the Dowens, and she has a nice little stay-in to the quilters. That's just the little touches that I like. So this box is slapped to the rim with brim. Check the duck. Of course, Flat Chuck. You can take pictures of Chuck with you and post them on social media. I'm not on social media a lot, but so let's watch this with Jenny. I've already taken out the first package because there's a ton in there, and I didn't want to lose it. So I'm going to turn on this video and I'm going to watch it with her, and you can watch it with me.
Good morning, everybody. It is day one. It is time to start our countdown to Christmas. I'm super excited about this box. It's a great one, and I can't wait to share everything that I chose for it with you. So let's get started. All right, so, oh my goodness, it's a heavy box. There's a lot of stuff in there. So, hey, Ron, can you come in and let's
It's a very heavy box.
So this is my husband, Ron, and you might need a little help lifting up this box, or just plant it where it needs to be, because it's heavy. There's a lot of stuff in here. So let's take a look. No, sit down.
Oh, look at the
Ron gets so excited about Ron gets so excited about the box stuff and opening. Matter of fact, I started doing his own little box for him as well, but it's not nearly as cute as mine. Let's just say that. Anyway, so the first thing you're going to see in here is a Christmas card for Ron and I, and this is something you can set out. It's made to be accordion folded back and forth, you know, and Ron and I can share Christmas with you all season long. Then you get your own Flat Chuck. This is exclusive to you guys who got the box, and look at him in his cute.
I actually haven't watched this video.
Cute. All right, so now everything that's in this box is packed so that it all fits, but it's not in order. So you have to kind of search for your things, which I actually think is part of the fun.
Because
so
of the sizes of the box.
Oh, here's day one, right down here, not too far from the top.
That would be Lily.
So let's go ahead and open this. First of all, can we talk about this cute box and the cute packaging? It just leveled up from last year. I love it. I think it's so darling. And let's see what we've got. Oh yes, ma'am. We've got Snuggly Sweater Charm Pack. This is
I wanted
exclusive to
this.
Missouri Star.
I actually
The
did
Snuggly
want
Sweater
this
Charm Pack.
because I like the
And
ugly
maybe
sweater
you can guess
theme.
what we're going to do with it.
What are we going to do with the
So,
ugly sweater?
This is
The
day
snuggly
one.
sweater.
It's full of all kinds of fun fabrics, and we will see you tomorrow for
We
day
will
two.
see you tomorrow for day 2. Ooh, ooh. So, we got the Snuggly Sweater Charm Pack 5. It's Charm Pack 5x5, 42 in there. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to open it because I've got a closet full of fabric and it don't matter if it's together or not. But I like to keep this together because we're going to do projects with it. Okay, let's see. All right, let's show you some fabric. Look at that. It's going to be snuggly ugly. Can you see? Oh, ornaments. Stripes. What is that? Is that wet? It's cats. Cats. Something. Oh, check the duck. Just red. We got mittens, cookies, Christmas cookies, mittens. Christmas cookies, mittens, candy canes. What do we got here? Oh, cupcakes. Candy canes. Donuts. Gotta have the donuts. Donuts. Oh, let's look at it. Gingerbread. The theme this year with the Christmas is a gingerbread man. So if you like the gingerbread man, that seems to be what the boxes have. Got the green. Let's see. Oh, that's mushrooms. No? Yeah, I think that's mushrooms. That's Pat Sloan's favorite right there. So I don't know if she got this box, but if she did, have some of her favorite in there, which is always awesome. Oh, I'm blind as a bat. That's what happens when you're over 50. Reindeer. Got the cute little reindeer. Reindeer. All right, there's a ho-ho. Santa Claus, ho-ho man. We got some stars. Christmas trees. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. And some stars. Starlight, star bright. So excited. Snuggly Sweater Charm Pack. I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna do projects with you. I'm struggling just doing the Bonnie and Camille quilt along. But I'll do my best. If it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. Thank you guys for joining me. If you don't mind, help me out. Like and subscribe. Ding the bell if you want. Whatever you want to do. So, but it would help me out if you like and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow. We'll watch Jenny again. And that is free on her channel. Missouri Star is her channel. Just search for that on YouTube if you haven't already. I'm sure everybody is on that channel. Search for her, Missouri Star. You can watch them too. If you don't want to watch anybody, just watch her. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.